Guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm making paper hollow stone by using clay. So let's start. First one I'm making the ocean views paper hollow stone. So I'm using the skin color and start attaching the bottom of that stone. Now I'm using a brush to make its surface like a sand. Once that is done, I am start attaching the white color at the mid of the skin color. Now I am mixing white and blue color to make the ocean color. Adding some water to mix it well in the both colors. Here I am using white clay to make the beach elements. If you don't have subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Now I'm making the second one and I'm mixing green clay with blue clay. Here I am applying yellow acrylic color on the stone. Now I am making mushroom with the skin clay. Now I am adding some details on the mushroom cap. Once that is done, I am start making the green petals with green clay. Here are the final results. I hope that you like the video, or don't forget to subscribe or like the channel. If you want a tutorial of this stone, so let me know in the comment section.